Hello everybody, thank you for popping by. We are trying to move into spring, but it just keeps snowing, so it seems to be dragging its feet a bit, but it will eventually show up and then move right into summer pretty quickly, and that gets to be a pretty busy time. Just wanted to remind you I'm here for any questions that you might have about real estate, or if you just want to talk. I've also got a nice list of contractors and professionals for any referrals that you might need for plumbers, electricians, excavators, all that good stuff that might be coming around for any projects that you've got on the plate for this summer. We've got our home buyer workshop this month. It is April 14th from 2 to 3 here at the Keller Williams office. If you would like to join us, please just let me know and I'll get you on the list. We would love to see you. And then I've included in your mailing all of the amazing activities that the Kremmling Chamber has coordinated and put together for us to have a really fantastic summer season. So look forward to seeing you around town. I'm always available to have you pop by and say hi as well. Take care. Thanks.